Warsaw in Poland. It's gonna be a fun and enjoyable short vacation, so we'll take you there.
It's last one in a corner.
One more in a corner. Thank you.
Have a nice day.
You click there, you press, and you go to. You have to be a little bit aware
I
of
was
what you're
not
doing to
listening.
learn.
Did you listen?
No, I wasn't there.
Having my tea and they're having their coffee. This is our room for today. Wrong way. Finally, we're here. Zapiecek. Maybe that's how you pronounce, I'm not really sure. And they have a mascot of pierogi. Pierogi mascot. It's very popular here in Warsaw, and we were told to wait. But they have another branch, so we're going there right now. Oh yeah, this is like the main road. Here you'll find a lot of restaurants, bars. This is much bigger. We're here at Zapiecek, something like that. And we have to taste pierogi. This one here is good. We're back here at the hotel after a very delicious Polish dinner. So we are in Warsaw. This is our first morning and we're ready to eat breakfast. After that, we're gonna go to the Old Town. We will try to explore as much today as possible, but I'm not sure if we could do everything. Freshly squeezed orange juice. So we're changing some Norwegian kroner here. It's in the underpass. I lost my phone. Now we are in the old town of Warsaw. You see how beautiful it is? This actually is not very old. It looks old, but actually new. It's been rebuilt only. Warsaw has been destroyed in World War II, but look at it now. Perfect. They're shooting a film here, so nobody's allowed to pass the alley except the actors who are wearing their costumes. Really very interesting.
Exactly how to use it, okay? I'll call her. Drink proper way.
This is little on side.
Tonight we're having something Japanese for dinner. Here in front of the Palace of Culture and Science in Warsaw. Architecture is amazing, but the history is not so nice. This building is a gift from the Soviet, an unwanted gift, and they are thinking of demolishing it because it's a reminder of a sad past That's Stalin's building, Stalin's palace.
There was once a day that I would pray for you. I'd go and misbehave just so you'd notice too. Sneaking looks up and down from across the room. And damn, what a hell of a view. I feel good, you look great, I like you, I can't wait. A first time, a first date. You're so fine, I'm so late. You sip wine, I drink straight. Don't waste time to my place. I feel my heart erase. So catch me if I fall.
We're at a place called Baguette Me. Hello guys, this is our last day in Warsaw and we're gonna check out. This is Maria signing off. Till next time, bye.